Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need 2 quick confirmations before deep changes. Ensure your carrier account has roaming enabled and verify your plan covers the needed regions. Once done, restart the phone and toggle airplane mode for about 10 seconds to force a network refresh. Make sure network selection is set to automatic. If automatic fails, manually pick a known local partner from the list. These first steps clear common soft faults and prepare the device for the more detailed fixes that follow. You now diagnose configuration-level causes. Reset network settings to remove corrupt APN or proxy entries, but back up Wi-Fi passwords before you proceed. Then inspect the APN, MCC, and MNC fields and correct them to match carrier specs. Wrong APN type can block data on LTE or 5G. Also, make sure VPNs and battery savers are disabled, and if using dual SIM, verify the roaming SIM is set to handle data. These actions fix deep software routing problems. Finish by updating your phone OS and accepting carrier settings updates, because outdated profiles often break roaming. Then test everything. Place a call, send an SMS, and run a data speed test while observing signal bars and the radio access technology. This tells you if you're on 3G, LTE, or 5G. If problems persist, contact the carrier with your IMEI and IMSI and any error codes. Ask them to verify provisioning and to push a network re-provision. Quick tip: toggle SIM in and out to force re-registration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.